Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. I'm also doing great. Today I would like to share with you how important learning English and how you become a fluent speaker. Okay, so let's begin starts. And before studying today, I went to a barber shop to have my hair cut because my hair became very big. So that's why my look like is bad to others. So that's why I had my hair cut, and also I am practicing speaking right now in front of camera. And 2 days ago I went to my one cousin's house, and also he's a one cousin, he's a very good speaking speaker. So that's why he teach me some method how to speak English fluently. So that's why it was very good journey for me to go there. And today I would like to share with you how important learning English. And if you want to learn English, you have to practice more because practice means a main progress. Okay, so you have to try your best to be a fluent speaker. If you don't practice, if you have any intention to be a fluent speaker, you have to practice. You have to practice with your friends, with your family members. Okay, and also it is the best way to practice in front of camera, because in front of camera it will make your confidence and also reduce your shyness. And also it also helping you to talk to in front of the lots of people, and it will reduce your shyness. Okay, so you have to practice more in front of camera. And also if you go outside, if you go outside to explain the uh, scenario, and you can share your everyday activities in the camera, because day by day you can understand that how you improving. Okay, you can practice regularly and improve your English journey. And I every day I try to listen, try to read article, because if you try to read, if you try to listen, you can be able to learn vocabulary, and you can also be able to um, um, gaining your lots of vocabulary in your mind. Then you can use this type of vocabulary in your speaking. Okay, so you can practice. Okay, till then, again I will come back in with any videos. Okay, Allah Hafiz.